The economics of smiles, why Turkey excels. Turkey is a nation that is known for its fascinating heritage, lively culture, and delectable cuisine. It is also earning an image for something that isn't expected, that is its welcoming and warm smiles. It may appear to be an insignificant aspect of the appeal of a nation, however, the value of smiling should not be overlooked. Indeed, the capacity to offer outstanding customer service, which includes smiling and friendly faces, could have an enormous influence on the economy of a nation. Recently, Turkey has been investing massively in the tourism sector. With stunning scenery, historic sites, stunning landscapes, and a warm, humid climate, it's not surprising that a plethora of visitors visit Turkey every year. What sets Turkey different from other tourist spots is the warmth and hospitality of the people. Visitors to Turkey frequently praise the warmth and hospitality of the people living there. From shopkeepers to hotel staff to waiters at restaurants, Turkish people are known for their warm smiles and friendly attitude. The positive experience they provide does not just leave a lasting impression on visitors, it also motivates customers to make more purchases. Research has shown that consumers tend to be more likely to repeat purchases and pay more when they experience an enjoyable experience with their customer. Alongside the tourism business, the service industry within Turkey is also benefiting of the nation's smile economy. As more and more businesses are focused on loyalty and customer satisfaction, demand for affable and accommodating employees has never been greater. Turkish companies that focus on customer service and create an atmosphere of smiling have seen the results from increased customer satisfaction as well as loyalty. What exactly is it that makes Turkish people so adept in providing outstanding customer service? A major factor is the tradition of hospitality, which is embedded into Turkish society. As young as they are, Turkish people are taught that it is important to treat guests with respect and kindness. The value of this culture is evident in the manner Turkish individuals interact with each other, regardless of whether they are residents or visitors. Another factor is the Turkish notion that is Kiev, which roughly translate to enjoyment or pleasure. Turkish citizens believe in living their lives to the max and spread joy to everyone else. This attitude naturally leads to providing exceptional customer service. It inspires people to go above and beyond in order to make people satisfied. However, there are times when a smile in Turkey is authentic. Similar to any other nation, it is possible that some people might fake a smile to do working or making an impression. But most smiles seen in Turkey are sincere and genuine, and that is what makes Turkey apart from other countries. The economics behind smiles is an idea that should not be ignored. In today's competitive world economy, being able to offer excellent customer service will have a major contribution to the economy of a nation. The emphasis placed on friendliness, hospitality, as well as genuine and warm smiles have allowed it to distinguish its tourism from the rest of the world and contributed to its economic prosperity. While other nations strive for ways to improve their quality of service, they could definitely learn a lesson about Turkey and its smiling economy. If you travel to Turkey, make sure you be aware of the welcoming and warm smiles you will be greeted with. It will not only enhance the experience of your trip, but it also will contribute to Turkey's flourishing economy. The concept of smile economics is real, and Turkey is a leader in this field unlike any other.